Of Dermot Reeve once asking Curtly Ambrose to take his sweatband off, which didn't go down well.
I was going to say about that, I bet he really enjoyed that. Not that it needed firing up anymore.
So it's an external injury, and that's why Archer can come on and bowl immediately as yet. And Phillips, neither him nor Tom Blundell have asked that strapping can be removed. Phillips is taking this on. You might sense here that.
Oh, that's good.
Do the same.
No! Yeah!
234 for 5.
More posh. You can go the other side of the country to Mount Maunganui.
Off Devon Conway. Oh, that's a beauty. Praising James Ruin. He can only lay a glove on that, otherwise that was going away for 4 byes. Brute of a delivery from Archer, which Phillips actually in the end played pretty well because he didn't get pinned.
He's done really well to get out of the way of it. My goodness. That has seamed and then just kept coming at Phillips.
Well avoided again, and there's that movement back at him. Nasty to play.
Just stick with that line and maybe a little bit fuller than that. Get a man in under the helmet. A little pressure on that way.
First ball was far too wide. That was absolutely spot on, and it followed him.
No! No!
Oh, Brutes had to take that at first slip. That was very wide.
It's just the late swing as well.
Ooh. Oh, now has he nicked that one? Jofra thinks so. Nothing behind the stumps. Well, for all the criticism 10 days ago for the surface in North London, this surface at the Oval is excellent today. It really is. It's got something in it for batters, definitely something in it for the seamers.
I'm feeling Glenn Phillips is asking for his sunglasses here. It's really bright out there.
How many do you know batted in sunglasses? I mean, if it is so, maybe just, yeah, it looks like Jack Russell used to bat in sunglasses, even on the cloudiest day ever. Jack, being so eccentric, put the sunglasses on.
Brian Lara, I've seen him do that as well.
I literally could not think of anything more tricky than batting in sunglasses. With my mince pies, I couldn't see it anyway. And I struggled with depth perception in sunglasses. You didn't wear them in the slips for that reason.
I haven't seen that too often, but here we go. Glenn Phillips.
More importantly, do you approve of the brand and style? You're our style guru of sunglasses.
I don't think that's at the forefront of his mind right now, how he looks.
I know you better, though. Everything you do has to look cool.
All I'd say is it suits him better than you. And as we've just made this joke, in the background, Jacob Bethel was just rolling his arm over. Do you think he's going to get an over now?
Well, England want a bit of cloud cover now so that Phillips has got the shades on. Will it make any difference? Well, what's he going to do? Keep him on, take him off?
Looking up to see if the sun is out. Well, at this point of time, I don't think he should be seeing too far up, but just looking at the red ball that's coming his way, and it's coming in quite nicely from Archer's hand.
He's so difficult to get out the way and sway. Saw that great battle with Steve Smith and at Lord's in the Ashes. Close to the stumps, nips it back in. Good battle this. Glenn Phillips in good nick. Archer steaming in, crowd now getting behind Archer. Wasted bouncer.
Good take from James Rew there. It took off.
Nicely played in the end. Eventful over. 2:59 for 5. Blocked off sideways on. Did he glove it? Now, is there some glove on that? Again, Archer thinks so. Nearly every England cricketer is appealing. And it won't matter because Jofra has overstepped the front line. Yeah, he's tricky customer because of that ball nipping back in from fairly straight. And swaying is a good option until it just gets a bit too straight. And that's why he may change it. Oh, brilliant cricket this. Brilliant cricket. He went down in instalments there, Glenn Phillips. But in the end, he played it really well. He's laughing at himself because the way he fell over. But the most important thing is he's still there.
That pretty much tells you how strong he is as well. That is a serious delivery. And he is lucky. So sways away.
Yeah, we've had some great spells from fast bowlers here. Devon Malcolm against South Africa, 94. Michael Holding, 76 against England. That will go. He's down again, but not out. Thumbs up, 267 for 6. He has now, and he gets it with a boundary. He's got quite a few in that region past Gully.
From the time Phillips has come to the crease, his high-scoring zone has definitely been square on the offside. For a long time, they had no point fielder. He made most of that, and yet again, having not scored a run for 36 minutes, brings up a boundary exactly in that place.
He's pin peppered here. He's had a couple on the ribs in the front. Now that's at the back. That's just tickled, to say the least. He's in a bit of pain there. Again, just what you're talking about. He gets a bit blocked off, so that bouncer that's in at the ribs, he can't get out of the way.
He's got this very old school technique where he has no initial movement, no trigger movement whatsoever. Literally. So far, one thing that he has shown is a lot of courage. Decided he's going to let any short ball go past him, willing to take body blows.
May just want to see this off. May not. Excellent from Phillips. He's taken some blows, but he's still there, and that's all that counts. 2-7.